43 healthcare students are arriving from Edmonton for the first ever skills weekend held in Swan Hills, a 2.5-hour drive northwest of Edmonton.
Welcome, guys!
The students are from the University of Alberta and NAIT.
Our outpatient rooms are down this way.
It's an opportunity for them to learn hands-on medical skills and get a flavor of what practice and lifestyle are like in a rural community.
You'll have the tissue and you'll go 90 degrees, you'll evert the tissue, and then you'll just rotate your wrist to come out.
RhPAP, the Rural Health Professions Action Plan, hosts skills events like this at various rural stops throughout Alberta each year. Here in Swan Hills, we partnered with the Swan Hills Community Health Board to host this event.
So what we want to try to do is raise their attention to the fact that rural medicine is a little more special, if you will. And rural medicine isn't to be afraid of.
Going at a 45-degree angle. As soon as you see blood, you lower.
Corey, a registered nurse, came here all the way from Tennessee in 2009. Love can do that. She hosted the IV Starts station.
I learned a lot of my technical skills from a lot of physicians and older nurses, both here as well as in Whitecourt, so I'm happy to kind of pass down what they've taught me.
Big, juicy opening.
Both of Swan Hills physicians were hosting skills stations. Dr. Mohammed Sfaxi taught airway management and intubation. Dr. Islam Alawadli hosted casting.
The patients in the rural community, they really appreciate your care.
He was impressed with how well the students worked together.
So they help each other in the training, and they're even trying to explain to each other what they got from this. And I really like that, because especially in the rural areas, you need that teamwork to get things done.
I think what really struck me was how close everybody works together and how much it really does seem like a family with the staff.
Oh, it was fantastic. It was such a awesome opportunity to try some skills, things we're going to be doing in the future, and also things that I would never normally get a chance to do.
Skills Day was amazing. You get to see a lot of things that you don't typically get to see within the urban kind of setting.
That evening, the students were invited to a dinner hosted by the community.
Believe me, this is amazing, amazing community. Like, I never felt like I'm in different country, different population, different culture. No, never. She's still here.
That was followed up with an opportunity to curl. For many of them, this was their first time curling, and while their delivery style was interesting, they did amazingly well. Some played darts, like Kate, who grew up with the game in England. Swan Hills is an outdoor lover's paradise, even in wintertime. Snowmobiling is a very popular pastime here, and so is ice fishing. The students ventured out to Edith Lake, just north of town, to dip a line in the water. They were joined by many families from Swan Hills who are out enjoying a beautiful winter day. The hope is this quick taste of the rural lifestyle here will plant a seed in some of these students for a healthcare future in Swan Hills.
Rural is something I was already considering before this, and this has been one of those kind of securing it for me that this is the right thing. Definitely the right kind of place I'd love to be in the future, for sure.
This video was produced by the Rural Health Professions Action Plan. To see more of our videos, subscribe to us on YouTube, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram and Twitter.